Look at all the great toys in this Christmas catalog. I'm gonna get a racetrack and an Xbox 360 and a remote control truck and a GT snow glider.
Hey, Grimer, what you doing?
Oh, hi, Grunge. I'm just making my Christmas list.
I got a list a mile long. I got everything I want. It'll be the best Christmas ever.
Yeah. Well, hey, that's what Christmas is all about. Getting lots of gifts. Get a little Christmas. Grab it while you can. It'll be a whole year till Santa comes again. Turbocharge the reindeer to pull that heavy sleigh. 'Cause when he gets my Christmas wish, the prezzies come my way. There'll be Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, mountain bikes and dolls, just like all the toys I've seen while searching through the malls. Lego sets, Nintendo Wii, an iPhone and some guns. There better be room in the sack for presents by the ton. Get a little Christmas, grab it while you can. It'll be a whole year till Santa comes again. Turbocharge the reindeer to pull that heavy sleigh. 'Cause when he gets my wish list, all the prezzies come my way. Balls and bats and baseball caps, computer games and more. A super duper double looper just like in the store. Monster trucks remote controlled with air tanks in the hood. If I don't get all these toys, I never will be good. Get a little Christmas, grab it while you can. It'll be a whole year till Santa comes again. Turbocharge the reindeer to pull that heavy sleigh. 'Cause when he gets my wish list, all the prezzies come my way. 'Cause if there were no presents, there can be no Christmas Day.
Grimer and Grunge, you'll never guess what I saw tonight.
What?
I saw a flying saucer.
Yeah, sure you did. With 8 tiny reindeer.
No, really, it hit the church steeple and landed in the parking lot. And this little green guy got out and he left the ship.
Really? Hey, let's go take a look, guys.
I told you it was a flying saucer. See, there it is, over there.
Wow. Are you sure nobody is inside it right now?
Yeah, I saw him get out and leave.
Hey, guys, how about a little cosmic joyride? Are you game?
We don't want to get into any trouble with the police.
Are you kidding? The police don't even believe in flying saucers. Come on, this is the best Christmas present in the world. Thanks for helping me decorate my room. We're all set for Christmas.
Yeah.
Sure you don't want a few more cookies? You didn't eat much.
No, I'm not really hungry right now, Hairball.
Well, we better get some shut-eye. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. Big day. Night, Merv.
Good night. Good night, Hairball. Myself, my thoughts drift out to space, thinking about my friends, my home, that very special place. I sure miss my family, I bet they miss me too. For someone who is colored green, I sure am awfully blue. Christmas people singing, and I want to run and hide. People bustle everywhere, but I feel all alone. How can I find Christmas joy so far away from home?
Are those tears of joy or sorrow trickling down your face? Are you happy about Christmas, or do you miss outer space?
Hairball, would you understand to see old Mervy cry? The gift I need this Christmas, your money cannot buy. Christmas bells are ringing, but the aching won't subside. I hear people singing, and I want to run and hide. People bustle everywhere, but I feel all alone. How can I find Christmas joy so far away from home? So far away from home.
I didn't know you were homesick, Merv. Listen, why don't we go down to the church and get your spaceship running again?
Would you mind?
Not at all. Come on, I know a shortcut. Hey, Merv, I think someone's trying to steal your spaceship. It's Grimer and his gang. Hey, Grimer! Get away from there! Come on, Merv. We're too late. They're inside already. They're taking off.
Hey, what's wrong with this thing? I can't control it. It just goes up and down.
Well, stop it, will ya? I'm gonna be sick.
I'm trying to stop it. There, it stopped. Let's get out. Whoa! We're 50 feet in the air. How do we get down? Help!
What if we crash, Grimer? We'll be killed.
I know. That's why I'm yelling. Help! Somebody save us!
How do we get him down, Merv?
No problem, Hairball.
Thank you. You saved our lives, little green Martian.
His name is Merv.
Oh, thank you, Merv. Thank you.
Why did you try to take his spaceship, Grimer?
I thought if I got my own spaceship, this would be the best Christmas of all.
Grimer, Christmas isn't about getting. Christmas is about giving.
You mean you can't buy Christmas?
No.
You mean I can't even steal it?
You don't get it, do you, Grimer? Listen. God gave us his only son who came to earth one day. A king without a castle who in a manger lay. Angels and the stars proclaimed his coming to the earth. Wise men and the shepherds bowed to him at birth. This is Christmas at the heart. God's gift came to stay. You don't need a Visa card to celebrate